He sure does. He sure
His
does.
own private Idaho.
This is just one of those scenes I can watch over and over again, just because the moves that he's got going on. And then what we sort of wanted to do was work in a bunch of the stuff that we cut out of the movie into the end credits, which is now in this longer cut. And we start seeing the highlights of things that blew up in the movie. Damn!
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, this is good, dude.
Just doing this.
Congrats, Ben.
Thank you. And look who's back. Look who's back.
Oh, hi.
Robert Downey Jr.
Oh, man.
Finally made it.
Let's go.
Congrats to you, Robert. Come on, man.
Thank you. It wasn't
Incredible. Jack, great work.
Thank
Jack,
you.
I feel very lucky to have worked with you guys in this movie.
I am fine that you were late. It was the other brothers that were intolerant.
I know, look,
I feel like we just shot the whole movie again. Going back, do you feel like, if you can sense the relief in this room?
I know,
that we're actually
absolutely.
done. We're done with this movie. We just did the DVD come through.
It's all happening. The premiere is tonight. It's all going to be.
Oh, it's going to be so
part
good.
of everything.
And for all you guys who watched this special feature, I do want to say thanks. I hope you got a look behind the fourth wall. You know,
Yeah. There was a lot of stuff to look at.
we're a hell of a bunch of guys. We're really down to earth. We're not in the
I feel
rock.
like I missed some little nuggets
not.
though.
Robert Downey Jr.
Yeah! Big cheer. Big cheer. There you go. Look at that. Come on.
Nolte!
Yeah.
Should we do the whole thing again?
I gotta say,
The top though?
Ben's gonna.
I have to say, I am going to do it with Jeff Mann and John Toll and Greg Hayden.
No way. Are they here right now? Going down?
But Greg Hayden is going to do Lazarus Osiris the whole time, which is going to be interesting. And I got to say, just Kyle Cooper is just a genius, the guy who did these titles. And
Yes.
I worked with him on Zoolander, and he's the best. Let me get a little callback to, there he is.
There's our buddy.
Things haven't really changed in the
Wait a second.
relationship.
So he got his jet.
He got his jet, he got his cake, and he ate it too.
Yeah.
And his son's
Oh,
jet
look at that
wasn't-
picture.
Yeah.
This is freaking
And then it's over.
nuts.
And then